Welcome everyone to my new video series. The first one we're gonna start today will be Solana price analysis and technical details. As usually, Scrembo here takes care about the most important details of the technical analysis in the most rational way possible. So we're keeping emotions on the side and utilize them for something else. Solana is actually having a flat time, which means it's missing volatility, it's missing volume, and it do not has a clear direction in terms of recovery or continuous downtrend. We're going to talk about these numbers in a few seconds. As well, make sure to subscribe to our main YouTube channel, check out the videos, and we have ChatGPT bot trading for those of you which are interested. We have basically coaching. By the way, the bot trading offers you the possibility to participate without any prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved. We're going to talk about this at the end. What's happening on Solana 4-hour candlesticks is something that I'm going to keep up with. And I'd like to share with you that since the last video, we brought the markets down and we were taking some of the liquidity out. As you can see, we have 3 pulse surgers that are forming basically rejections on the bottom side, and they're helping the markets to showcase a buying pressure appearing on 0.618 Fibonacci, the blue line. What has happened in the last move is we have been engulfing successfully the price action, printing a bullish continuation pattern, at least for the short term, which brought the markets back to $16 top, where resistance has stepped in. Now this is when it comes down to the range. You have a 1.414 Fibonacci top, which is acting. It's still alive and it still have a force against the bulls. You need to break out of that. However, I would say taking liquidity from the bottom side would not be an issue. For example, you can take liquidity from this wick that you have right there by pulling the markets down, forming a higher low, and then starting an impulse wave. The impulse wave should bring the price action back to at least number 1 Fibonacci, which would also represent the possibility for us to be within the channel again. Now, being part of the channel will actually trigger the possibility to break out at the top. Without doing so, you have no chance. And on top of that, getting to the golden ratio, which will be a necessity, well, obviously you need to establish yourself a bullish pattern within the channel. Not only here, because that is not going to be sufficient, guys. You need to do it within the channel. By printing bullish patterns below the channel, we'll actually target the channel price action movement. By printing within the channel, we'll target the top of the channel with a breakout, and that's the golden ratio in between the 2 yellow lines. That's pretty much all for today. Even though we might not reject that much and take the liquidity from the lows, the price action can span here the whole month of June. Depends what happens with the US dollar, S&P 500, and other markets. As well, we had some SEC news coming out from Binance and Coinbase that they have agreed on a deal not to freeze assets and so on, considering the current risks of the space. Beautiful. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to our main YouTube channel, including the bot trading that we have for those of you which are interested. On the left side of our page, we have our weekly performance, and on the right side, how does it work? Very simple. Every 7 days, you'll have to pay the commission to us. We perform the trading through API permission, outsourced completely, no prior fee. Reach out to me, contact me, have all the links in the description area and comment area for more details. At the same time, if you would like to become a trader and trade for yourself for the upcoming period, generate extra money. Seems to be very useful these days to have extra sources of income or stability in this activity. Make sure to check out our coaching program describing how does it works. If you want to find out more, there is a free 15-minute conversation with me, guys. All the links, once again, in the description area in comments area.